Hi, Scott with OCD here. I'm going to give you a little bit of tip on how to install a rear drive shaft so you don't do what this guy did. Now he's a lot into repairs for what should have just been tightening a nut. Remember, when you're replacing drive shafts, not a big deal. When you replace the yoke, it is a big deal. So you got to remember the pinion nut only gets torqued to spec if you're doing a drive shaft and yoke change that uses a shim design in the pinion bearing. Most modern axles use a crush sleeve design. So if you set this to pinion torque, which is going to be 160 to 180, you're going to get this. Okay, and nothing's going to be settled. But you're supposed to tighten the nut until the play is removed from the bearing. If you don't, it never actually gets tight because it doesn't get the crush sleeve back down where it belongs. And then your pinion gets loose and it's going to run into the carrier and unfortunately now this guy needs a full rebuild on his axle. It's just got to rebuild it, re-gear it, replace all the bearings, everything else, because the metal got everywhere. So do it right, be careful, you can do it properly, but if you're not comfortable on how to take the slack out of a pinion bearing and get the crush sleeve reset, leave it up to the professionals, or else you're going to be where he is. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.